welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon margarita. Super easy cocktail. All we need is 3 ingredients to make it. This is the perfect cocktail for this heat wave. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's go. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need tequila, fresh watermelon, fresh lime juice, and a mixture of tajin and sugar. Alright, I'm going to start by rimming my glass. Then I'm going to put the watermelon into the glass. Then the ice. One and a half ounces of tequila. One ounce of lemon juice. Now I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna add fresh ice into the glass. I'm gonna double strain it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a watermelon margarita. Now if you guys like the video, drop those likes. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!